The Rabbit R1 is a recently launched AI-powered assistant device that has gotten a lot of buzz for its unique design and capabilities. Here's a rundown. A small handheld device, about the size of a stack of Post-it notes, with a vibrant orange color, designed by Rabbit Inc. in collaboration with Teenage Engineering, known for their quirky and functional aesthetics, runs on a custom Rabbit OS that focuses on natural language interaction and action-oriented tasks, rather than relying heavily on apps. AI-powered assistance uses a large action model, LLM, to understand your requests and perform tasks like booking appointments, ordering food, controlling smart home devices, and more. Goes beyond simple information retrieval like traditional assistants. Unique interface features a 2.88-inch touchscreen, a push-to-talk button, and an analog scroll wheel for navigation. Also has a 360-degree rotating camera for video calls or capturing photos. Focus on conversation. Encourages users to interact with the assistant through natural language instead of tapping through menus. Aims to be a pleasant and helpful companion rather than a distracting screen. R1's hardware consists of processor, quad-core ARM Cortex-A73 RAM, 2GB LPDDR4X, storage 16GB eMMC, display 2.88-inch capacitive touchscreen, 300 ppi, camera 5MP rotating camera, connectivity Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, operating system Rabbit OS based on Linux. Rabbit R1 has large action model, LAM, for natural language processing and task execution, voice recognition with noise cancellation, touchscreen and scroll wheel interface, integration with various smart home platforms and services. While natural language interaction is tutored, getting the most out of the R1 might require some user training and adaptation to its unique interface and capabilities. While the R1 boasts potential for various actions, the actual capabilities depend on the development of compatible services and integrations. The R1 is still in its early stages, and future updates and expansions could address some of these limitations. The R1 was announced at CES 2024 and is currently available for pre-order, with shipping expected in late March 2024. Overall, the Rabbit R1 offers a promising glimpse into the future of AI assistance with its sleek design and powerful capabilities.